Hi class, back here for the rest of this section. Again, working through these problems, we just break it apart into its separate pieces. All right, first off, 9 over 3, this is just a basic math problem. We know that's just going to cancel out to a 3. Now we deal with our a values. We have a to the negative third minus 5. So notice this gives us a to the negative eighth. And then we have b to the 7th minus a negative 2. Well, this is going to give us b to the positive 9 because 2 negatives make a positive. So now we have our values here, right? We rewrite this out as 3a to the negative 8th, b to the 9th. And we have one step left, right? We take 3b to the 9th and now put that over a to the 8th. We need to simplify our problem. So I'd love for you to try the next one. I'm going to move to the next page here. So we look at this one. This one looks pretty complex, right? A lot of different values, a lot of different numbers. The key thing, again, split it up into its separate parts, right? Combine the coefficients, combine the m's, the n's, the p's. So again, I'd love for you to pause this video and then we'll talk through it after this. So we have 16 over 4 equals 4. We have m to the 4 minus a negative 2. Well, that's going to be m to the 6th. We then have n to the 3 minus 7. Well, that's going to give us n to the negative 4. And then we have p to the negative 3 minus a negative 8. All right, 2 negatives make a positive. This will be p to the 5th. And now we want all of these values written out for us here. So we're going to write this out as 4 m to the 6th, n to the negative 4th, p to the 5th. Right, we check, do we have any negative exponents? In this case, yes we do, so we need to rewrite this as 4m to the 6th, p to the 5th, over n to the 4th. So real quick, looking at the summary here, right, think about where you are on this scale. Right, you got a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1. Right, working through these problems, what kind of problems could you do? Now, before we get started on our homework today, right, you have some time in class today to work on some individual class problems. I would like for you to work on these ones, right? Take about 10 minutes or so. Again, like before with our in-class work, I did post the answers down below here. Right? It's not, I'm just looking for answers. I want you to actually work through these problems and check your work. Did you do it correctly? Did you not? So just run through these problems real quick, and then I will post what the homework is here in 1 second. So I'd love for you to pause this video and work on these problems. Right? I have them written out already for you. You don't need to go to your book. So just work on those couple problems for a sec, and then we will get the homework out. And of course, like it is almost every night, your homework is the 7.5 assignment on Schoology that should be open for you. But please, again, I hope you pause this video, did that in-class work first. I will be checking that. So make sure we're doing that and then get working on the Schoology assignment.